afraid to take the Imagex because we don't have any.
I have 3. It's just so everybody knows, it's like 95 degrees in this elevator. There's no air circulation. There's not a single vent in this entire elevator. It is like so hot in
Sweltering. And every time I'm in here, I think about what would happen if the elevator gets stuck and I start panicking. Because how would you breathe? There would be no air. I'm drooling. It's not that funny. How come it won't open? We're here already.
I don't know. Uh-oh. Are we stuck?
Oh, stop. Don't say such things.
Dude.
You didn't push the You're such a loser. Oh my gosh. She didn't push the button and we're just sitting here. I'm glad you think it's so fun. Someone needs to kick you in the head. Hey, there's some boursin over there. Some boursin and some crackers.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Here we go.
We go what?
No, so it begins.
Yeah, so nothing begins.
You gotta unlock. Oh, the keys are over there.
If I get my shirt dirty, you're in big trouble because this was packed for tomorrow.
Oh.
Look at your face. Turn the camera. You good?
She's been laughing so hard this whole time. Stop moving. Oh my gosh, what? Wait, why is the water coming out of your eyes brown?
Because I have mascara on.
Oh my god, stop moving. Look at that. She's crying so hard from laughing that she had brown, dewy water on her face. What is wrong with you?
Okay.
You're so much better than me. You're so happy and everything's so great. I feel sorry for me.
You don't feel sad. It's okay.
Hey, how about I'm videotaping you load everything into the car? Since you're having such a great time. Wait, we better put those seats back.
Okay.
So we don't take advantage of that space that isn't actually there. Right? Okay. There's Dee putting the seats back. Good job, Dee.
Oh, here.
You're so good at that.
This should go behind it, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, do that. That's good. Real good. Here, want me to give you another one?
We have 2 umbrellas.
One. Okay, and duvet. Umbrella. Okay, trademark.
Wait, hang on.
Stereo Sisters.
Just wait.
What? Why is that not working?
Make sure that they're
Yeah.
because it's not exactly back all the way, so I need to make sure.
Yeah, it needs to go back all the way. They don't get enough room for their toes.
Right.
So that's Danielle over there again.
Okay, there we go. Let's make this one. Okay, let's make this chair better.
I don't think it's gonna go back because this stupid umbrella.
There.
That one, the top seems to be tilted back a little further. Can you make the other one's top tilt back a little further?
Which? The chair? This one?
Yeah, that one's good. Can you make the other one be
now?
like that too?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, there's flipping yogurt garbage in here.
Oh, and that surprised you because
It's like grody. How long has it been here?
I don't know. Since yogurt 30. Yeah, I don't.
Here, you want a strawberry margarita?
Strawberry daiquiri.
Oh, whatever.
Security, security. Ding, 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 ding.
Let's make this one go back.
Yeah, the top part of it. See?
That part's all the way back.
You know what? Yeah,
that?
Yeah, I think that's more comfortable.
I do too. Okay.
Okay, but
So now they're good. So now let me
yeah,
get
but
the
that
other
umbrella's
umbrella
not. It's not gonna go.
Yeah.
And it's taking up valuable space. We don't want it blocking their ability to reach behind them.
Oh, for the other one, you mean?
Yeah.
I don't. Do you think it's that much?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Because remember, we put stuff there. So if that's there, then nothing. Then
But
something.
that's also with the other umbrella too, so they both can't be there then.
No.
Yeah. That one's
No.
blocking
Stop.
too. Look, this one's blocking. This is space they can use, Jen. So
Then take it out.
take it out and I'll put it.
Take it out. Just take it out.
Look, it can. You just think right here.
No, I think that's a bad idea because then they can't put anything right here. Take it out. Do what I say.
Like, it's too long. It doesn't fit in the car.
We'll figure it out.
otherwise.
It can go on top. I'm just saying don't make it so that it can't be where they need things to be.
Okay, so this is not going in now then.
No, that's what I'm saying. Not now. I'm being a very bad videographer. FYI.
Oh, wait.
No.
We have a holder.
A holder. Somebody's playing music. This is already taking too long. How do we know what it's looking at?
We'll look at it and then decide that that's a. What? Flip? Oh, pause.
You can't.
Stop it.
I'm stopping it.